Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow filled with colorful flowers, lived a little fluffy bunny named Pip. Pip loved to play near the generous stream, a tiny trickle of water that barely made a sound. The stream was special. The wise old owl, Hoot, had told all the animals that the stream would turn into a beautiful, gushing waterfall if someone told a true story about sharing something important. One warm morning, Pip found a patch of juicy red berries, the plumpest he had ever seen. His tummy rumbled happily. He started to munch on them, one by one. Suddenly, he saw his friend Bella the squirrel looking sad. Bella's cheeks were usually round and full of nuts, but today they were empty. "What's wrong, Bella?" Pip asked, his nose twitching. Bella sighed, her bushy tail drooping a little. "I looked everywhere, but I couldn't find any acorns for my lunch," she said sadly. Pip looked at his pile of sweet red berries. He really wanted to eat them all himself, but Bella looked so unhappy. Pip took half of his juicy red berries and offered them to Bella. "Here, Bella," he said with a smile. "Please share my berries." Bella's eyes widened. "Oh, Pip, thank you," she exclaimed, happily taking the berries. She nibbled on them with a grateful smile. Just then, a gentle gurgling sound came from the generous stream. Pip and Bella looked over. The trickle of water was growing bigger. It bubbled and flowed, and soon a beautiful sparkling waterfall cascaded down the rocks. The water shimmered in the sunlight, making rainbows in the mist. Hoot the wise owl flew down and perched on a nearby branch. "Well done, Pip," he hooted softly. "Your kind act of sharing has made the generous stream flow beautifully. Remember, sharing something special can bring joy to others and make the world a happier place." Pip and Bella smiled at each other, happy they could share and make the waterfall flow. From that day on, the generous waterfall flowed wonderfully, reminding everyone in the meadow about the magic of sharing. And every time someone shared something important, the waterfall seemed to sparkle even brighter. Fun fact: sharing not only makes others happy, but also makes you feel good inside.
Please subscribe. Thank you.